Carmine bee-eaters have flown hundreds of miles from the rainforests of the Congo. They're a perfect place to nest, out of reach of predators from above. But it pays not to build too close to the neighbours. In the sudden commotion, they're vulnerable from below and above. African fish eagles. They don't just eat fish. The eagle's strategy is to pin their prey against the river bank. With the colony in disarray, the predators have the advantage. These fish eagles also choose to breed in the dry season because they need the bee-eaters as food for their chicks.